So I must tell you, last evening you looked like an angel in white, and this evening you've just rocked it in black. Absolutely wonderful.
Thank you so much.
How long did it take for you to put these looks together, or did you finalize them very quickly?
I finalize them very quickly. It is like I do my own makeup, hair, everything. I do it myself,
Oh.
and the styling and everything put together.
Wow, you're supremely talented, I must say. We have a quick question that we're asking
Yes,
everybody. In 2019, what was your absolute favorite song? Like the most played on your playlist? Like what would that be?
My God, there are so many songs.
It's okay, nobody's gonna feel bad. If you could just mention one
There
for
are
us.
so many. Main thing I can say, all the songs of Neha Kakkar.
Okay.
It's like you can say I just always get into the YouTube. I just log into her, Neha Kakkar's playlist, and every song has got such beautiful meaning, such beautiful feeling in it that my 1 hour in the treadmill, I'm all cool.
You don't see it go by.
Yes, yes, it's like. So you can say Neha Kakkar rocks. That singer itself, she rocks.
Would you like to take inspiration from her and sing a few lines for us?
Oh my God, everybody will run away from here. Please, no.
All right. I think if Saima had like a best dressed award, then you would be a serious contestant there. Like it means so much that you put so much time and effort into creating these looks. Like how did you decide on this? Could you talk to us about it?
To be very honest, I did not invest any time, but I had a belief that I am gonna be the best dressed actress.
So I got that right.
I wanted to become one. So I just tried my, I was just talking to the universe, just trying out to give my message to the universe that I want to be the best, do something. So I landed in Qatar. So one of my fans messaged me on Instagram saying she's a fashion photographer and she would want to collaborate with me. And that's how she got me introduced to an international designer from Qatar. And he gave me these beautiful dresses. The one I wore yesterday, the blue one. You remember?
Yeah, of course. Of course, I remember.
So yeah, so both the gowns were given by Giolina.
Oh, that's absolutely lovely, and I think the
So
universe
sounds
heard
like-
your secret.
Exactly. So sounds like a Cinderella story to me. Just like how she had no clothing to go to the to the royal this thing, and then later on there was this godmother who came and gave her the costume. The same thing happened to me as well.
That's cute. You're a South Indian Cinderella then. So we would like to know what has been Cinderella's favorite song in the past year, like something that you heard on loop.
You know what I was listening to? Can I hum that song?
You can sing it if you wish.
I was listening to this song composed by Maniratnam sir. Composed by A.R. Rahman sir, and it is from Maniratnam sir's film. Katru Veli.
Katra Velide. Got it.
Na, 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 na. That song. I don't know the song.
You can continue the.
Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. That I love that song.
I must say, all our actresses are really talented,
No, I
guys.
didn't sing. I just hummed something. I mean,
But that's good enough.
Just be kind to me.
No, but that's wonderful. So thank you so much for joining Saima and taking so much, conveying your message to the universe and making
I
everything
always
happen.
do that. I mean, that's how the universe works.
That's wonderful. It's such a beautiful belief.